Ever wondered how to make a snack that's not only irresistibly delicious, but also incredibly healthy? Well, ponder no more. Today we're making a vibrant and nutritious fruit and yogurt parfait. First, gather all the ingredients. This includes Greek yogurt, your favorite granola, and a medley of mixed berries. Think strawberries for their sweet tang, blueberries for their juicy burst, and raspberries for a hint of tartness. Now let's get layering. The beauty of this recipe lies in its simplicity. Start with a generous dollop of Greek yogurt at the bottom of a glass or jar. Greek yogurt is a fantastic base, creamy and packed with protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Next, sprinkle a layer of granola on top of the Greek yogurt. The crunchy texture of granola adds a delightful contrast. Plus, it's a great source of fiber, helping with digestion and heart health. Then it's time for the star of the show, the mixed berries. Scatter a handful over the granola. These little gems are packed with antioxidants and vitamins, adding a healthful punch to each bite. But why stop at one layer? Repeat the process, Greek yogurt, granola, and mixed berries, until you've filled the glass or jar. The more layers, the more flavors and textures to enjoy. And there you have it, a fruit and yogurt parfait ready to be savored. Whether you're serving it immediately or refrigerating it for a grab-and-go breakfast or snack, this parfait is sure to impress. In summary, this fruit and yogurt parfait is more than just a treat for the taste buds. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, combining the protein of Greek yogurt, the fiber of granola, and the antioxidants and vitamins of mixed berries. So not only does it taste great, but it also supports digestion, heart health, and overall well-being. So why not give this fruit and yogurt parfait a try? Healthy has never tasted so good.